Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making plantain porridge. Stay tuned, let's get cooking. Firstly, these are my ingredients. I've got my plantain, dry fish, ugu, palm oil, salt, seasoning cube, crayfish and ogiri, and onions. In a pot, we go in with our plantain that has been cut into cubes. You go in with your pepper mixture, peppers and onions. Go in with your crayfish, your ogiri and your seasoning cube. Next, you go in with your palm oil. You can use any quantity that you want. You go in with your salt, your dry fish, and you give it a turn. You give it a stir. You stir to mix properly. After stirring, you put in some water. Make sure it's the same level as your plantain for the porridge. You give it another stir. Turn it properly to get the mixtures all together. And then you cover your pot and allow to cook for 10 minutes. Now we go back to check our plantain. We turn it around. It's been cooking properly. Now you can match it if you want. Just give it a good match. Some part of it, match it up so you can form the porridge. After matching some of them, you cover and allow to cook for another 10 minutes. Let's come back to check our food. Okay, it's been boiling for a while, so now we go in with our vegetables. And then you turn your mixtures together. This is a very simple and easy recipe, no fail method. Anybody can make this food, I'm telling you. It's very easy and simple. After putting your vegetables, you turn around, you cover and cook for 5 minutes because the vegetable is very easy to get soft. We don't want it too soft. You turn it around again, give it a good stir, and that's it. You check your plantain to make sure it's not too hard. You test for salt, and our plantain is ready. Here it is, guys. Plantain porridge. Very delicious, very easy and simple to make. Thank you for watching. Bye.